Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add drawings into your note or how to draw into your notes on the Notability application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a note from the All Notes section, or you can also create a completely new note by tapping on this icon down below. So I'm going to choose a new one. And if you want to draw into your notes, all you have to do is tapping on this uppercase T letter at the top of the screen and select the second option, which is supposed to be a pencil. And now you are ready to write or draw into your notes. But you can change the color of your tool by tapping on this icon down below, the first one. And if you swipe to the right side of the screen, you can see that you have the availability to select from a bunch of colors, and you can unlock more of them by becoming a Plus member. And you can also select the size of your pen, so you are ready to draw whatever you want to. If you want to get rid of your drawing, all you have to do is tapping on the pencil icon at the top of the screen and then select the first icon in the second row of that box, and then you can use this as an eraser. So as you can see, you are able to erase your drawing completely. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.